The Evolution Vision 65FM flip-up helmet comes with a multi-adjustable head strap consisting of a total of 5 straps for individual adjustment to your personal head shape. The neck strap and the 3 head straps are adjustable in length. Be sure to take enough time to adjust them to your head for perfect comfort. Then use the knob on the neck strap to adjust the overall circumference so that the helmet does not slip. Next, adjust the depth setting, in other words, the distance between eyes and visor. In a final step, you can adjust the inclination of the helmet shell to what feels best to you. Well done! Now, all you have to do is remove all protective films and the battery safety strip, then you are ready for your perfect weld. Also, check out our next videos.